everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving a short tutorial on how to design, upload, and cut out images using just a couple of free apps on your smartphone and using your Cricut Explorer. So let's go ahead and get started. So I was a little disappointed when I purchased my Cricut Explorer and I was on their app and I found that most of their graphs and images had to be purchased. I was not aware of that when I bought my Cricut, so I was a bit disappointed, and so I set out to figure out how to design images and get them uploaded on there for free. And so I discovered I could use another app on my smartphone that I had been using previously. It's an app that is called Over. I've been using it for a couple of years. It's kind of like a graphic design app, and it has tons of free images, free fonts, and different design templates and all sorts of stuff. So it's a very well-made app. It's very simple to use, and so I'm just going to be showing you guys how I use it. To get started, I just get onto their app and I hit create, and I go ahead and I use their transparent, and I just use their regular size that comes up. So I'm going to be making a design for a stencil that I'm going to be making using cardstock. I'm playing around with the different fonts to see which I like more and just laying it out how I would like it. I'm wanting to add a floral graphic, so I'm just going to select graphics and search the keyword leaf. I like this one, so I'll select it and resize it to how I like it. I'm going to add another one and position them evenly. So after I have a design that I'm happy with, I'm going to save it to my files. So now I'm going to hop over onto the Cricut Design app, and there I'll upload the file. And I'll select cut into the uploading type. Once I have it to the size that I'm wanting it, I'll select the Make It button on the bottom right hand corner, and we are ready to go. So now that I have the image designed and uploaded, I am ready to print this thing out. Today I'm going to be printing it out on cardstock. First off, we just open our little fancy dancy Cricut machine. We're going to turn it on and we're going to pull up the app on our phone. So it connects to Bluetooth, so you can just have it on your phone and it connects. Everything's wireless. It's super easy. So now we're going to select the material. So I turned it to cardstock. And I'm going to load up my mat. So I just slide it right into here, hit this little button, load button, I hit load tools, and we're going to hit cut. Load it and take it out. Close this up. So now we're left with this beautiful little stencil. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.